Hi friends, and this is Mulani, and today I'm going to tell you about user interface Autodesk Maya 2016. So let's move toward the interface of Autodesk Maya. So first things to know about the main menu. So what's your main menu? So this is your the first one is your menu, and we also call it main menu. Okay, so there are 7 menus always available in Maya, like a file, edit, create, modify, display, and window. These 7 menus, remain same. Okay, and the others menus is depend upon our menu sets. When you click on rigging, the others are menus are the changing, but file to window are not changing. So it means the file to window menus will never change. Okay, the others menu is depend on menu sets. Okay, so yeah, of course this is your main menu. Okay, the second one to learn is menu set. Is very necessary to learn about it, because the every work of Autodesk Maya is depend upon menu set. Yeah, of course, this is very important to know. Okay, and the menu set is also drop down menu, of course, because it's dropping. Yes, you are saying that this it is dropping, so that's why we also call it the drop down menu. Okay, so this one is your menu set. Okay, the third one is your status line. This one is your status line. Okay, okay, below the main menu. Okay, so this is your status line, and we also call it toolbar because it look like a toolbar. Okay, so if you want to create your new scene, then you also click on the status line icon. Okay, so this is your new scene. Okay, and this is your open scene icon, and this is your save scene icon. Okay, so this is your the object type. Okay, this is your component type. Okay, so actually this is your status line, and we also call it toolbar. Okay, so the next things to learn is shelf editor. So this is your actually self editors. Okay, so animation is rendering, polygons. Okay, fx caching, customs. So this is your self editor. Okay, so this is your self editor. And the fifth one is your panel toolbox. Also, this is your panel toolbox. Okay, so what does uh, panel toolbar does? Okay, so what a panel toolbar does, actually, if you want to hide your grid. Okay, let's suppose we want to hide our grid. When you click on this icons, it will hide. Okay, when you click back on this icon, it will show you grid. Okay, so this is actually your panel toolbox. Okay, the sixth one is your channel box. So here is your channel box. When you click on it, it will open your channel box. Okay, okay, so actually this is your channel box. Let's suppose I am create one object on the grid. Okay, this is my objects. So now you are seeing that when I click on it, it show you one channel box here. Okay, so this is your channel box. Okay, if you want to move your object. Okay, if you rotate your objects. Okay, so now you are seeing here the rooted x, rooted y, and rooted z options are changing. So this is, you can change your object. Okay, and how much you want to rotate your objects, you can see on the channel box. Okay, and others, the many type of help you can take from this channel box. Okay, this is your channel box. So next thing is your uh, so next one is your toolbox. Okay, so this is your toolbox. This is your toolbox. Okay, and this is your selection tool. Okay, when you click on it, it will select your object. Okay, and when you want to move your object, you can move your object. Okay, when you want to rotate your object, you can rotate it very easy. When you scale your object easily, then you can scale your object through this option. So this is your actually toolbox. Okay, we also call it toolbox. Yeah, so it's very necessary to know that this is your toolbox. And now this one is your quickly display buttons. Okay, this is your quickly display buttons. When you click on it, it will go your prospective menu. Okay, this is actually your button for the prospective menu, and when you click on this button, it will show you four views of your object. You can see your object from the top, you can see your object from the front, you can see your object from the side, and this is your actual prospective menu. Okay, so when you click on it, okay, and if you want to work on the top side of your object, and then you click on it basically and press space bars, it will show you a top side of your object. Now once again I want to go my perspective view, then I click on it, it will show you a perspective view of your object. Okay, so very necessary here you can see the last one line of your interface of Autodesk Maya, and we call it actually helpline. Why we call it helpline? Because it tells us the name of every object, every icon. Okay, so let's suppose I take an arrow on this shape, it will show the name here that this is your polygon sphere. Okay, when I go to the for suppose on this button, it will show a line below. The last one line is a single perspective view. So actually this is your helpline. It's very necessary. You can see your the name of every icon by the help of helpline. Okay, so next thing is to learn is time slider. So this is your time slider that is very necessary, and it will necessary for you when you will work on animations. Okay, so when you click on it, the timeline, okay, it's a movie. So this is your actually a timeline. When you want to go back, then it will show you a breakthrough of your timeline. Okay, so this is your uh, timeline. Now you can say time slider. Okay, this is your time slider. Okay, so below the time slider you can see one thing here, it's your range slider. Okay, so range slider control the playback range reflected in the time slider. Okay, so this is your actually uh, uh, range slider. So range slider actually depend upon our time slider. Okay, so below the range slider, you are saying that here is a command line. So this is actually your command line. Okay, so command line is let you type a single ml. Okay, mel we call it mel, without having to open the script editor. You don't need a open your script editor. You can write a command uh, to here. Okay, so this is your actually command line. Okay, so next thing is below the general box, and so this is your actually layer. Okay, so what a layer actually does, suppose if you want to create your one layer here. Okay, so if you want to hide your object, so you just right click on it. Okay, and click on the option of add selection object. Okay, when you click on the V, it will hide. Okay, when you click on it back, it will show one object. Okay, so this is all about the user interface Autodesk Maya. Okay, so this is my first tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So please subscribe my channels as my video can you can see easily. So thank you so much. Stay blessed.